Alright, so if we're just taking a little quick look at Veracity today on the daily time frame, we can see in the local area we've just been bouncing really between these two Fibonacci levels. Obviously, as always, the Fibonacci pulled from the all-time high down to that bear market low. You can see we've got all of our key levels here. Really nothing much has been happening for this entire bear market, to be honest, for Veracity. It's been putting in a decent range, anywhere from, I would say, around a fourth of a cent up to around 1 cent here. Obviously a few deviations in either direction, but mostly just chopping sideways, aren't we? Having a nice consolidation area here. Quite stuck under that 1 cent level throughout the bear market. No real pushes up anywhere close to really smashing through it, apart from this first initial push we had at the start of last year. Obviously the big long descending wedge that we saw, the breakout, the back test of this moving average area along with the 0.23 Fibonacci. Moving back up to the next Fibonacci level here, putting in a kind of a double top really after quite a few attempts to push above that level at the 0.38. You can see what happens next. We obviously come down, retesting our 100 moving average, but we lose support. We come back down here. We're testing support over and over and over again, but really no desire to sell down below this half a cent level at the 0.23 Fibonacci. And then you can see here, obviously with Bitcoin having a very nice rally going up and making a new swing high, Ethereum going up and making a new swing high as well at $2,900 right now. We can see Veracity following suit, heading to the upside here, as we can quite clearly tell. Bouncing off this level here for a really decent little gain off the lows, pumping up around 50% or so from the lows down here in the space of a week or so. So obviously some massive nice gains there. And really I think we're just getting only just beginning when you look at this chart. Very clear previous bear market consolidation, huge bull market and overextension, and now coming into a similar period here, basically consolidating, going sideways. Everything's boring, everyone's saying Veracity is a scam, etc. But I think once we start clearing this 1 cent level, we're going to start getting up towards that all-time high again. Obviously the circulating supply is going to be fixed as well. Lots of bullish fundamentals coming through for Veracity all the time. And right now this chart, it's looking absolutely beautiful in my opinion for continuation. You could argue this is basically just consolidation, massive pump, big retracement, 90% correction, but you could say it's about a 50% correction to the previous low, and then continuation to the upside, looking very positive, and potential going forward here is very high. I'm very excited to see what happens next, so the halving soon, let's get it.